Topcon CA-800 Corneal Analyzer combines corneal topography with a suite of dry eye analysis tools to enable complete evaluation of the anterior surface and tear-related structures. This multifunctional device offers topography, corneal wavefront analysis, tear film breakup time, tear meniscus height measurements, blink analysis, meibomian gland imaging, pupillometry, white-to-white measurements, and contact lens fitting software. Our easy-to-use device enables fast, comprehensive analysis of the cornea. The adjustable chin rest and forehead rest ensure patient comfort and scan accuracy, while on-screen guides help you easily focus on the patient's eye and ensure your measurements are accurate. The CA-800 maps corneal curvature and provides visit-to-visit comparison, which gives clinicians valuable information to assess keratoconus probability and supports specialty contact lens fitting. Onboard simulation software automatically selects the best fitting lens based on our customizable database of conventional and ortho-K lenses. And fluorescein imaging lets you assess those contact lens fittings as well as dry eye symptoms. Record normal blinking over a period of time and combine this data with the non-invasive tear breakup measurement to identify eyes at risk of ocular surface damage. Visualize detailed images of the anterior tear meniscus and use the touchscreen to add a marker based on automatic detection of the lid margin and the top of the tear meniscus. Quickly assess the size and light reflexes of the pupil under a range of light conditions. The CA-800 also performs a wavefront analysis of the aberrations on the anterior surface of the cornea using Zernike coefficients. The iMap Pro Review software lets you access scan data on a separate review station or export reports to a shared folder, external EMR software, and Topcon Harmony clinical data management software. The DICOM standard is also supported for integrating with a PACS image management system, allowing the CA-800 to retrieve the patient info from a modality work list and send the reports to DICOM storage. CA-800 is your easy-to-use corneal topography and dry eye workstation. To learn more about this comprehensive device, visit topconhealthcare.com.